This is part 2 of the VR rain walk in Alton. Enjoying the water hitting me. It's starting to rain steadily now. Yeah, but then up here is grass again. I like walking in wet grass with sandals on. Whew. This camera gets heavy after a couple minutes. Look over there, there's a jungle. Might be a lion in that jungle, you don't know.
I'm in the jungle.
Oh, she's in the jungle.
Is there so much
Welcome to the jungle. Oh, you're out of the jungle now, you're in the clearing. And there's sidewalk mostly. Even though this street is not, it feels so good. You don't understand how hot it gets. It was 95 or 97 today, and it's not really about the heat. It's so steamy, you can't breathe. Every time you take a breath into your lungs, it's like water getting inside your lungs to where it feels like you're going to have pneumonia. You can't breathe. Well, we're almost home. Got to go down here to the stop sign and make a right. You're home free to my house. Gotta be careful.
And I'm also licking myself because I taste it.
She's gonna lick herself because she tastes good. Alright. Well, I guess that's it. I'm not gonna go all the way home with it because, like I said before, I don't want it to be too boring. But I'll see you soon. Maybe next time I'll make a drone video. Peace.